pretty hot today. It's like 78. Dayton, made by Lakewood. We have an epic failure. I was putting that cap back in right there, and I just touched that one and the lead ripped off and I see some crap under it. So I think that one's bad. Yeah. So let me pull it out. It's Saturday now, the next day, and here's the capacitor. Nichicon. It's right here. Yeah, Nichicon, just like the old one. So let's see if this fixes the jail bars. But I'm going to have lunch, watch Shango's video. Looks like he recorded it with the really old camcorder, but it actually looks good. It's a good rainy day project. Yep. Look at me just recording the ground. Patriot Erectors truck driving by. So someone plugged in the TV board last night, and it was not me. The heatsink was hot. It's dark, which will help you see the screen, see if the jail bars are still there. So let me plug it in. The rain in the background reminded me of a video I didn't put out because it was recorded with my old phone. It makes the background noises sound weird, so it sounded like someone was taking a leak outside. I had my HD Samsung Dynaflat on that night table. Here's a picture of it. It's a little bit crazy. But yeah, it worked. Anyway, I had the Samsung Blu-ray player, and I was updating the software to the latest version, and you know, Netflix doesn't work on there anymore. And yeah, I didn't put the video out because the audio was awful, and it's not working still. Oh, I didn't plug it in. It's 3:36 and it's the 14th, so I don't know why it's saying this. There's like a wicked moire pattern on screen. Okay, play.
VCR.
Did a speaker upgrade so that it actually has bass. I could put the original speakers back in there and mess around with capacitors for the crossover circuit thing. Oh, the audio amp is a 6 watt, but the watts aren't labeled on the speakers. Probably 1.5. Pause. Yeah, you can still see the jail bars. Huh, that's weird. Doesn't really bother me that much. Seems to be a low hour VCR. At least they kept it unplugged because the VFD is really bright. I have a 98 Panasonic, which is 4 years older, newer than this Hitachi. And yeah, it's really dim. Got it for some industrial place, so maybe some kind of security thing. Did a lot of hard hours. Or not hard hours, what the hell am I saying? So yeah, we replaced a totally bad cap that wasn't even affecting anything. Smart sound, which is kind of stupid if you ask me. Should be showing this in the video the Admiral set over here, name only. Made by Orion. I fixed the green issue. There's no green drive, so it's preset. So I turned down the green bias and it fixed it. Whoops. Keep confusing that with the volume. We're gonna do the crank up the volume test. I did this with a piece of crap GE I found on the street that was completely wasted and dim and blurry. And I don't know where the video went. Or the clip was missing. We showed this in the kitchen. I put it on the bar when no one was here. As the camcorder is going to level it, but I'll let you know what I think about it. Pretty good. Should have done this outside. So I searched the value of the cap that threw up on the board, and allegedly some guy replaced the cap on the board at the same value, the one that went bad in here, and he said the picture quality improved. Here's a screenshot of that. So, I don't know, it looks the same to me. Just putting out the video I just did on the Magnavox TV, and I look at it and I see this. What the hell? Remote's right there. What are you doing? What the hell? Turn the volume up and it's back to normal. That's really creepy. Anyway, stuff looks brighter on camera, but this is bright in person. Actually, it's the same as it is on camera. Actually, no, just a tiny bit brighter. So yeah, I'm glad the TV's not damaged. That was weird. Huh.